Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are fine and safe. So, we were up to chapter number 3 from tasting to digesting, and in the last video, we completed our question number 5. Answer the following questions in one or two sentences. And now, in this video, we are going to start question number 6. Answer the following questions. So, let's begin. Question number 6. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. What should we do so that food is digested easily? Answer. Point number 1. We should chew the food well. Point number 2. We should always eat fresh, pure and well cooked food. Point number 3. We should eat only when we feel hungry. Point number 4. Do not eat food that is difficult to digest, for example, fried food, fatty food, etc. Number 5. Physical work or exercise is necessary to feel hungry, so exercise according to the need of one's body. Number 6. Take a little walk after meals instead of going to bed directly. Now, let's see question number 2. Has anyone ever told you to hold your nose before taking a medicine? Why do you think they tell you to do this? Answer. Yes, my mother told me to hold my nose before taking the medicine. When I did so, my mother put the medicine in my mouth. I could swallow it easily. Many times we do not like the medicine because of its smell and we feel like vomiting. So, if we hold our nose, we cannot smell the medicine and can swallow it without feeling irritated by the smell. Now, question number 3. Think what would happen if you do not eat anything for 2 days. Answer. If we do not eat anything for 2 days, then point number 1, our body becomes weak and we feel lethargic. Point number 2, we feel tired when we work. Point number 3, the body does not feel energetic. Point number 4, the head starts aching when the stomach is empty. Point number 5, it is likely that we may fall ill. Now, question number 4. Can you stay without drinking water for 2 days? Where do you think the water that we drink goes? Answer. No, I cannot stay without drinking water for 2 days. Water is needed and useful for many functions that our body performs. The water that we drink is useful for functions like digestion, blood circulation, and excretion. Excess water is thrown out of our body in the form of sweat and urine. Question number 5. Why do you think salt and sugar solution is given when one suffers from vomiting and loose motion? Answer. The amount of water, sugar and salt decreases in the body due to vomiting and loose motion. So the body becomes weak. To replace the lost water and salt and to get instant energy, a solution of salt and sugar is given. Now, question number 6. Why can you not taste food properly when you have a cold? Answer. The nose gets blocked due to cold. The taste of food can be known with the help of its smell. So when the nose is blocked due to cold, one cannot taste food properly. Number 7. Answer as asked. Number 1. In the table given below, mention edible items from which we obtain 6 tastes of food. Number 1. Sweet. Ripe fruits, rock candy, jaggery, sugar, sugarcane. Number 2. Salty. Salt. Number 3. Sour. Raw mango, sweet lime, orange, lemon, tomatoes, tamarind. Number 4. Hot. Chili, black pepper, clove, ginger. Number 5. Astringent. Turmeric, pulses, mango seed. Number 6. Bitter. Bitter gourd, fenugreek. Now, number 2, find the names of the 7 digestive organs hidden in the word grid given below. So, I have found the 7 names, and those 7 names are mouth, tongue, teeth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. Now, number 3, name the organs of the digestive system in the diagram given below. First is mouth, then food pipe, then stomach, then small intestine, and last large intestine. Now we have some activities. Number 1, stand in front of a mirror and look closely at your tongue. How does its surface look? Do you see any tiny bumps on the surface? Write your observation in the space below. Answer. On standing in front of the mirror and looking closely at my tongue, I see tiny bumps as shown in the image on my tongue. They are known as taste buds. They do the work of recognizing taste. Now let's see activity number 2. What happens when one feels hungry? Look at the expressions of the images given below and write the detail under each. Number 1. When I feel hungry, I have a headache when I feel hungry. Number 2. When I feel hungry, I get angry when I am hungry. Number 3. When I'm hungry, I feel tired. Number 4. When my sister is hungry, she cries. Now we have another activity. Eat healthy, stay healthy. We are given some pictures here with numbers, and we have to write the names of these all pictures in the blank space given down below. So let's read the question first. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Fruits and vegetables help our body grow big and strong. Give the names of each food item shown in the picture, then follow the fruits and vegetables to find out the way through the maze. Now let's see the answers. Write the names of each picture below according to its number in the image above. So number 1 is apple, number 2 lettuce, number 3 lemon, number 4 cherry, number 5 tomato, number 6 banana, number 7 pineapple, number 8 dry fruits, number 9 hot dog, number 10 biscuit, number 11 lollipop, number 12 is jalebi, number 13 is grapes, number 14 is spring onions, number 15 donut, number 16 chocolate, number 17 peas, number 18 corn, and corn is also known as maize, so you can write either of the name. Then number 19 orange, number 20 mushroom, number 21 ice cream cone, number 22 capsicum, number 23 pear, number 24 cucumber, number 25 beetroot, number 26 is watermelon. Next we have HOTS questions. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter or alphabet in the box provided against each question. Number 1. From which of the following food items do we get an astringent taste? Astringent taste. Answer is B. Pulses. Number 2. In which organ is water from undigested food absorbed? Answer is D. Large intestine. Number 3. With which organ is the upper end of the small intestine joined? Answer is C. Stomach. Number 4. Who conducted experiment on the stomach and got to know many secrets of digestion? Answer is B. Dr. Beaumont. So here we complete our chapter number 3, from tasting to digesting. If you have any doubt, query, or suggestion, let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video with a new chapter. Till then, bye bye. Take care.